So, are you having trouble seeing insights on your Facebook page or professional dashboard? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you some simple steps to fix this and get your insights back. First, you need to make sure that you have internet, stable and strong internet connection. Then open the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then simply search for Facebook application. And once you find it, go ahead and tap on Update if it's available. Outdated versions can often cause the Insights page to glitch or disappear. Second, switch back to professional mode or page mode. If you recently switched profiles or turned off professional mode, Insights may disappear. To fix this, you need to go to your profile, then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Again, scroll down, go to Followers and Public Content, and then tap on Try Professional Mode and turn it on. If you're using a Facebook page, make sure that you're logged in as the same page admin, not your personal account. Next, clear your Facebook app cache. To do this, you need to open your settings, or you can directly tap and hold onto the Facebook application, tap on the eye icon in the top, then scroll down, tap on storage, then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if the problem continues, try checking facebook.com/insights in your mobile browser. This often loads even when the app does not. If you manage a page through Meta Business Suite, open the app instead and your insights might still show there. And that's pretty much it. After updating your app, clearing the cache, and checking your account mode, your Facebook Insights should be available again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.